Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. In this video you will be see exercise 14.2 and 14.3. Question number 1. Which of the following figure have rotation symmetry of order more than 1? So that here is circle has a more than one order symmetry. B also, but C is not there. C is not there. So rotation symmetry of order more than one, that will be right. A, B, that C will be not there. D, E, F. Second question. Give the order of the rotation symmetry for each figure. So here in a part you are looking that two pole are there or two flag are there, so that will be 2. B question, that you are looking two line are there, so that will be also 2. C part, that is 3 sides you are looking, so that is a 3. D part, that you are looking 4 triangle are there, so that will be 4. D, E part 4 corner you are looking that, so that is a 4. F part, that how many line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 line are there, so that will be 5. G part, 6 corners you are looking, so that is a 6. H part, yes, 3 legs you are looking, so that is a 3 answer. And then exercise next 14.3. Name any two figures that have both line symmetry. Very easy. That is square like this, and circle also. Circle is many more line symmetry are there. Draw whether possible a rough sketch, that is a triangle with both line of symmetry. Second, first part, that is equilateral triangle. A triangle with both line of symmetry, line and rotational symmetry. A triangle with only line symmetry and no line of symmetry, that will be also like a triangle, but that will be isosceles triangle. Third part, an equilateral triangle with the rotational quadrilateral with rotational but symmetry order more than 1 but not line symmetry, so that is a trapezium. Fourth part, quadrilateral with line symmetry but not rotational symmetry, that will be rhombus. Rhombus is a line symmetry but not rotational symmetry. Third question, if a figure has 2 or more line of symmetry, should have rotational symmetry or of order than 1? Yes. Third question, yes. Fourth question, that is a lengthy question. Fill in the table. So square has, that is center of rotation, order of rotation, angle of rotation. So center of rotation, intersecting point of diagonal. Intersecting point of diagonal. And then second box, that order of rotation, that will be 4, and then angle will be, that is a 90, and then this is the first, and then second. Rectangle, same thing, intersecting point of diagonal, that will be yes, order of rotation 4 and 180 degree, 4 and 180 degree. Next, rhombus, that will be also same, and then that will be 4, this will be also 180 degree. Next, equilateral triangle, that is a median, that is a intersecting point of median, that will be 3, and then angle will be 120. How that will be coming? This is the, like this, 360 you are dividing by that 120, 360, that will be 120, and then regular hexagon, that is hexagon intersecting point of diagonal, that hexagon is 6 side, so that will be 6, and then angle will be 60 degree, and then circle, that will be midpoint of diagonal, diameter, that will be infinitive many, and then angle will be every angle, and then next is semicircle, same, mid of diameter, or midpoint is the better, midpoint of diameter, that will be 1 and 360, 1 and 360, and then question number next, that will be that is a 14.3, and then next question is that name the quadrilateral which have both line rotation symmetry of order more than 1, that is a simple square. After rotating by 60 about a center, a figure looks exactly the same as its original position. At what order angle will this happen for figure? So we will write the table of 60. So 60 2 is 120, 63 is 180, 64 is 240, and then that will be 300, and then 360. That will be the table of this one. Question number 7. Can we have a rotation symmetry of order more than 1 whose angle in rotation is 45? Yes. 7 first, yes. And then 17, that will be no, because you know that The table of 17 can't be cancelled 360 and table of 45 can be cancelled 360. Okay.